Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Hello everyone, today I am trying to make like a Samoan fish stew. How do you make that? What's the recipe? I have no idea. But let me show you what I got. I am so happy today. And you know what I'm doing? I'm happy. How do I make fish stew? I have some vegetables. And I have some garlic. And some ginger. I have cara coconut cream. And I have some fresh salmon. But how will I make fish stew? I don't really know. So let's get started chopping. And I'm trying to put a little something together with some vegetables, bok choy, potatoes, onions, garlic. Yeah, some cara cream. I might use more than one. And some very fresh salmon. I cut up a little bit to fit on this little plate. And then also some low sodium chicken broth that I'm going to slow cook the vegetables in before adding the salmon and the coconut cream and all that stuff right at the end. All right, let's get started. Thanks for joining us.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
All right, I'm done chopping up the potatoes and the vegetables. And I'm going to add about 2 cups of this in a pot. And then I will add the potatoes first, the onions, and then I'll add the bok choy later, and I'll add the spices, but I'll add the salmon right at the end. We've got the ginger, minced ginger, and the minced garlic. That can go in with the vegetables as well. You want those well flavored. And my wife likes really soft onions, so I'm going to put those in at the beginning as well. I'm also going to put the harder end of the bok choy in there. My wife likes those super soft too. The leafy part I won't put until the end. Add some fresh cracked pepper and also some less sodium salt for her. That's good. She can always add more. I'm also cutting the salmon, I forgot to show you, into like almost okra size bite sizes. My wife likes pretty big chunks, so I'll leave it like about that size. What I like most about this recipe is that I'm kind of just winging it. I'm putting stuff together that my wife likes. She loves bok choy, she loves coconut milk, and she loves salmon. I wanted to try to make a soup though, because we're having a stew tonight, this regular beef stew. My wife is not a huge beef stew fan as much as me and the kids are. So I wanted to make her a hearty stew with different vegetables she loves, and also the fish she loves the most. So let's hope she enjoys it. Okay, there's not a lot of time left. I'm taking off the pot off the heat for a minute and adding Aseka's leafy part of her bok choy, and we'll add the salmon at the very end. So as you can see, I've emptied a lot of the chicken stock. Add the fish. The salmon. Oh, that's a lot of salmon. I'm gonna let that simmer and stir it around and let it simmer for about, less than a minute probably. All right. It's been about 45 seconds and the shrimp is, the salmon cooks that fast. We're gonna add the cara. OMG, this looks so good. For my wife at least. All right, let me add a little toppings. I'll get this in a bowl. We'll see how she likes it. All right, we got a little bowl. Oh, look at that. That looks good. Let's get mommy lots of fish and her veggies. Maybe a little bit more fish in there. Woo-hoo. I think she might really like this. I hope. We'll see if she don't like it. No problem, I'll never make it again. Putting a little chives on top. Time to say those magic words. API!
Yes. Tayesu. Amen.
Okay. We have mom's salmon stew, and we have my potato stew.
I think yours has beef in it.
Mine has beef in it.
Yeah, where'd you get spaghetti from?
I said potato.
She said potatoes.
Oh,
I'm gonna let Mom and Silhouette talk by themselves for a minute, and let's see how they do being the main focus of the video. Here we go.
Probably not so good because I'm awkward.
I'm hungry.
Oh, you're hungry? Mine looks delicious.
I gotta stick around though to see how Mommy acts first. Oh, she's trying the potatoes first. Okay, we're on the sidelines here. It's early in the first quarter of the game.
It's really good.
Potatoes are good. Let's try the salmon. What does she think?
It's really good.
Fish stew gets 2 words. Chee-hoo!
It is so good.
And you all will be blessed today by not seeing my ugly mug on the camera. So you're welcome. GoPro. Hold on.
How was your day, sweetie?
Good. I did practice.
That's a lot of practice, sweetie.
Yeah, I have to.
You have fun?
Yeah. It's good.
Honey, do you have any rice?
The rice gone to the rice people. I don't know. Let me look. Oh my gosh. We just got groceries. Our refrigerator is so crammed with food. I don't see any, sweetie. Sorry, baby.
This is so good.
Okay.
What are you guys laughing about?
She's making fun of me.
Because you're both so awkward.
Yeah, well, I'm more so than she is.
I don't know. You both sound
She's
pretty
social than I am. What the
awkward
hell?
to me.
She's social than I am.
Social or more social?
More social.
Nuh-uh.
There you are.
Nuh-uh.
I think Silhouette is more social when she performs. But besides that, she's pretty quiet like Mama.
Okay. Like,
I'm gonna have so many of this. Second, third. It's so good. It's really good.
Oh, I heard that. There is a giant pot. You probably have enough to feed, I would say, about 10 bowls. That was a lot of salmon for one bowl of soup.
And my vegetables are so soft.
Yeah,
It's so
they're
good.
potatoes, bok choy,
Mm-hmm.
and onions, and cooked in a chicken broth, and most of it was drained. Then added a I think about 20 milliliters or 7 ounces of Kara coconut cream, and salt, pepper, garlic, and ginger. And that's it.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
there's a cookie place, Crumble Cookies. There's a place called Crumble Cookies, and me and mom said that she's gonna take me tomorrow.
No, I said that we'll look for it tomorrow.
Awesome.
Meaning your dad's tagging
Same
along.
thing.
Awesomely, probably not. But I got cooking tomorrow, man.
I get lost, honey. I'm not good at directions.
Then drag Pella along.
You know this, I know this. My east are west, my west are east, my south is north, my north is south.
I need a drink.
Mm?
She said she needs a drink, please, mama.
Let's go get it.
You thought mom was gonna get it for you. Mom's like, yeah,
I was,
go
but
get
then-
it.
I was, but then she moved, so.
Oh. I know you can't see me, but the stew's pretty good too.
Hi, kitty cat.
I love the stew on a rainy, cold day, for sure.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
And that too, huh?
Mm-hmm.
What's the best part of it, you think? The veggies, the salmon, or just a mixture?
Everything.
Wow, that is so lucky. This is the first time trying to make a Samoan fish stew. Didn't even know what to put in it. Thought about putting fish sauce and other things in it, but I didn't, so.
The, surprisingly, the, bok choy, I knew that would taste pretty good, with the fish, with salmon. But, the potatoes is a little bit shocking because it really does taste really good with it.
Oh, I'm
So
so happy,
everything
honey.
blends in.
Good.
It's good. Where's our salt?
Whatever salt you want. I used low sodium regular salt for you. Oh, mommy's just appearing to get some more. What do you think of mommy's soup?
Huh?
What do you think of mommy's fish soup? Would you ever eat it?
No.
It's pretty gross, right?
Yeah.
Okay, don't tell her we said that. All right?
Yeah.
No appreciation for good
I like your
food.
Spider-Man shirt. I wish I would have bought one of those like for myself. Oh, mommy's coming back. More fishy stew. Well, I'm glad she likes it. That makes me happy. I was worried I was making a mishmash of vegetables and expensive fresh salmon for nothing.
You won't like my food, Maka, honey. I'm sorry, you won't like it. Oh, I know. You won't like it.
Do you think she'd like the fish part? Just a little piece of fishy by itself? Why? She don't like salmon?
For some reason.
Huh.
Yeah, I gave it to her before, that she just kind of licked around it, and then put it in her mouth, and then spit it back out.
Well, I gave her a little piece of the stew meat, so maybe she likes that.
Steak? Of course she'll eat steak.
Yeah.
Where's Acapella?
At her boyfriend's dad's party.
Hold on. She's at her boyfriend's dad's party. What do you mean?
She has a boyfriend, and his dad's birthday is today, and they're at his party, at his house,
Oh, she was invited there?
by themselves.
She was invited there?
Yeah.
That's nice of the parents to do that.
They like Pella.
Good. What? What? Did no parents like you?
No.
Are you unlikable? Or are you a likable person? What do you think?
No, his parents like me.
His parents like you too. That's good.
No, not Dominic's.
His parents, I said.
No, not Dominic's parents.
Oh, other kids' parents. Oh, that's good. We won't mention names.
Yeah. I finished.
Oh, let's see your bowl.
Okay, hold on.
Did you eat all your meat out of it?
Not really. Not all.
Let me see it.
It's just,
Bring it up. Closer.
It's just.
You don't know what closer means? It means close to the camera.
It's just
Okay.
one piece. But
Good job, sweetie.
I hope you guys enjoy watching my mom eat.
What about you?
I'm leaving.
But don't you want them to have enjoyed watching you eat?
Yeah. I put a little bit of surprises in the video when they weren't looking, so.
Who's a better eater, you or mom?
Mommy. Me.
No, I mean better on camera. Who has more of a presence?
Mom. Me.
What?
Me.
Who's more boring to watch, mommy or you?
Mom.
Who's more exciting to watch, mommy or you?
Me. I'm a star.
Star what? Star your own movie
Yeah.
in your head? All right, love you, sweetie.
Bye.
What do you say?
Bye. Sifua.
So, Silhouette left. Mommy's here. She's just finished her second bowl. As you can see, I could get in the camera, but I promised you wouldn't see my ugly face today. Some of that mommy closed off on her own. I'm not going to give her any clues or say anything. Let's see how she does. 1, 2, 3, action!
Thank you, everyone. Awesome stew. At least mine was. Well, I'm as awkward as ever. Bye, everyone. Thank you again. Bye. Peace.
Is that it? Please comment below and let us know the awkward level 1 to 10 that mommy is.
I'm 10.
It looks like a 0-1 on camera, actually. No, the 1 would be... There you go. Math has never been her strong suit. All right, love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell if you haven't already. We love you all. Tofa se fua. Until next time, peace. And we're done.
Ah, don't make me awkward at all.
You're still the one that I adore. You're still the one I cook for. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. Still the one. You're still the TNA girl I fell in love with so long ago. This day. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.